Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you exactly how to unlock an iPhone if you forget your password without a computer. If you've forgotten your iPhone password and don't have access to a computer, you can try these steps to unlock your iPhone. Firstly, try adding your password a few times until you see security lockout. Then tap on the Erase iPhone option given on your bottom right corner. To use the Erase iPhone option, you must have activated Find My iPhone on your device, and your iPhone must be connected to iCloud with the same Apple ID. It will ask you to confirm your selection, and this will erase all content and settings from your device. So go ahead again and tap on the same option. Next, you need to add the password of Apple ID associated with this device. Once you're done, tap on Erase iPhone. After that, you will be asked to add the password of the Gmail account associated with your device. Add the password and tap on Sign In button given on the top. Using the Erase iPhone option will result in the loss of all data on the device. It's crucial to have a recent backup if you want to restore your data after erasing the iPhone. If activation lock is enabled, the device cannot be used or set up as a new without entering the Apple ID and password associated with the device. Additionally, you can also access the Erase iPhone feature through the Find My app or another iOS device by visiting the iCloud website iCloud.com on your computer. When you select the Erase iPhone option, it sends a command to your locked iPhone to erase all its contents. This includes your personal data, apps, settings, and media. This feature is a part of Apple's security measures to protect your data and privacy, especially in situations where your iPhone is lost or stolen. And that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.